www.simiideas.com.
Hey guys, Simi from Simi Ideas Tech Hub. We'll be going all over the Infinix Smarts. We will be unboxing the Infinix Smarts. This phone, in my opinion, is one of the best budget smartphones for a price below 30,000 naira. Let's briefly show you what's inside the pack. The phone,
www.simiideas.com.
the user guide, the warranty card, the headpiece, the power adapter, and the USB cable. One of the features that comes with this Infinix smartphone that it comes with a 3060 milliamps battery, which is very strong to the specification. It comes with a dual nano SIM, and the memory card slots. One of the uniqueness of this smartphone is that it has a DRIC 3D stereo surroundings. Now, let's power it on to see how the user interface looks like. It comes with a 5.0 HD display screen, a 1 gig RAM, a 60 gig internal storage, and it also comes with the latest Android OS, Android 7.0 Nougat, and a battery of 3060 milliamps. Let me quickly go to the pros of this smartphone. It's a sleek design, it is extremely affordable, it has a great sound speaker, it has a decent battery storage. As for the cooling, it has no 4G connectivity. General specification of Infinix Smarts: the processor is 1.3 GHz, a octa-core on MediaTek chipset. It comes with a 1 gig RAM. The back camera comes with 8 megapixel camera with an LED flashlight, and the front camera also comes with a 2 megapixel, also with a flashlight. The storage system is 16 gig, which is expandable to 32 gig via memory card. For the price, it's affordable, extremely affordable. For as low as 30,000 naira, you get Infinix Smart. This is a really solid budget package from Infinix Mobility. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.